this video, we're going to share the best luxury neighborhoods in Frisco, Texas, including the crown jewel, which we'll get to at the end of the video. The beautiful homes with amazing shopping, dining, and entertainment just minutes away makes Frisco a top choice in DFW. Frisco is home to 227,000 residents, and right now the median home price is at about $680,000. But for luxury, we're looking at the neighborhoods that start at about $1 million and go on up. And they are in no particular order. First up is the Hills of Kingswood. The entrance is gated, it's guarded, and it's gorgeous. Now, Frisco is not known for its hills, but it does have a few, and the Hills of Kingswood takes advantage of the views. Home prices start at about $1.1 million and go up to $7 million right now on the market. And as you can see, there are construction trucks still going in and out because new home construction is still going on. This neighborhood has a wide variety of home styles, from modern to Mediterranean. There's also a variety of home lots, and one section of the neighborhood was actually built by Grand Homes, which is a beautiful home builder, but the majority of the neighborhood is large luxury custom homes. This is such a beautiful place to call home. This neighborhood in the terrain, it feels very different from any other in Frisco. I would call it a very cosmopolitan and very sophisticated neighborhood. NEWMAN Village is a beautiful luxury, kind of reminds me of a European village. There's a beautiful central plaza for families to hang out. With 400 acres of old world style, you will love the look and feel of NEWMAN Village. The tree-lined streets, parks, and a pool, several unique outdoor works of art. It's a fantastic place to call home. This gated community features Mediterranean, Spanish, modern, plantation, and Tuscan architecture. This gated community starts at $980,000 and goes on up to $4.4 million. Driving in this neighborhood, you can just tell it will be a great place to live. I just love the European style plaza in the center. The STONEBRIAR area is just fantastic. So many great neighborhoods to choose from. In this video, we are going to highlight STONEBRIAR Creek Estates and STONEBRIAR Country Club. STONEBRIAR is one of the most coveted neighborhoods in Frisco. This area is a bit older, but you will love the mature trees and the location. It's conveniently located right off the 121 freeway, which makes commuting so easy. STONEBRIAR Country Club and the nearby STONEBRIAR Creek Estates exude luxury. Homes around the golf course were built between 1988 and 2008. Lot sizes in STONEBRIAR Country Club are about 1/4 of an acre to 1/3 of an acre, and the price point is from $1.3 to $2.5 million on the market right now. Now, STONEBRIAR Creek Estates, the acreage starts at about 1 acre and goes on up to 6 acres with price point from $2 million to $8 million. I love the STONEBRIAR Creek Estates because it's like a little bit of country, but it's so close to all the conveniences, and horses are welcome in this community, and it has an equestrian facility. Hi, my name is Dana Pollard, and I'm a real estate agent in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So if you are looking to buy or sell a home here, I would love to be your real estate team of choice. Fill out the questionnaire in the link below. Next up is the prestigious community of Starwood. Custom, many with old world European style. Starwood is a gated and guarded community of 880 homes. The development started in the 1990s. Home prices start at $934,000 and go up to $4.8 million just right now on the market. You can get traditional size lots as well as on up to 1.3 acres. This is a really pretty development with mature trees and a wonderful amenity center. Starwood continues to be a very popular neighborhood. They do have one lot available if you want to build, and it has great views of Frisco. Keep in mind the required square footage of the house must be at least 6,500. It's a stunning place to live. I'm here at Chapel Creek, and this is one of the most highly sought after neighborhoods in Frisco. It's known for its beautiful architecture and the lush greenery here. Homes are larger here, starting at about 4,000 square feet, and yes, it does have a creek. The price point starts at about 1 million and goes on up to 5 million. Another thing I love about Chapel Creek is the beautiful landscaping. It's so meticulously maintained here. It's just gorgeous. Now, one thing that you do want to be aware of with this neighborhood is there is no clubhouse or fitness center or community pool. Next up is the Fields. Frisco Fields is the hottest up-and-coming community. Take a look at this backyard. Can you imagine in just a few years there's going to be more than 14,000 homes and apartments in the Fields? It's going to have so much more shopping, dining, and workspace. It's going to be like the 15-minute dream city, meaning all you would need could be reached in a 15-minute walk or bike ride. Land has already been set aside for schools. The urban village section is called Fields West, and it will be developed similar to Legacy West in nearby Plano, and I love Legacy West. The area in the Fields called the Preserve near the PGA development will have multi-million-dollar luxury homes with 233 lots in Phase 1. Many of these will have views of the beautiful golf course. Interestingly, the development was not named for the terrain, but rather for a rancher called Burt Fields. This is one of the last large tracts of land to be developed in Frisco. This will be the new hot area in Frisco for years to come. I would venture to say that if you're going to invest, now would be the time. If you're looking to move to Frisco, maybe you want a luxury home, we have luxury specialists on our team. All you have to do is give us a call, email us, or click the link below to schedule a Zoom consultation. We'll see you on the next video.